You say, Gary?
I'm ready, man. Hey, Daniel.
What are we doing?
This is the Junebug Rally. Literally, we are like, this is the most intense time. We're like 6 minutes away from sending everybody to their cars. This is what it's all about right here. That you can cut the tension here. It's crazy. People are excited. They don't know what they're getting into, and it's oh my goodness, it's gonna be.
Can I start the Jetta Pre and let the AC get cold
whatever.
first?
Go ahead and click the starter. Yeah. Let's just say. Welcome back to Volks TV.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. It's the Junebug Rally. It's Junebug Rally Day. It is hot in this parking lot. You can see back here the blacktop is still super black. That makes it even hotter. There's quite a few cars here. We didn't show up as early this year as we did last year, so we're not going to be as dead when we start. We're actually going to run it this year. We're going to do the race in the Jetta. Me and Sean and Nathan, right?
Yeah, that's right. We're going to hopefully survive. That's our goal for today.
I figured we have something with AC, we might as well give it a shot. It's one last good shot. So we'll do a quick little run down the line here and take a look at who showed up for this bonkers race. And then we'll see. Oh, look, it's old Matt Jackson. What do you say there, old Matt Jackson?
Old Volks TV, welcome.
There it is. Oh, shoot. All right, we're gonna go look at the lineup. We're gonna sign up, and we're gonna win for sure.
We're going to run this Jetta.
There it is, Old Volks TV. This is the official sign-up sheet. You guys have really stepped up your game.
Yes.
Yellow legal pass.
Are you doing the rally?
Yeah.
This is custom,
Let's
man.
go, Jason.
It's a 2020 Jetta AC.
He just had a baby.
He did! Me too! Don't I look good for just having a baby?
He's already lost his baby weight.
Yesterday.
Overnight.
Yesterday? Was it yesterday?
It was like 2:30 yesterday afternoon, yeah. Is it your first time?
Yeah.
Oh boy, you're gonna have a blast. I hope you guys have cold water in there.
Yeah, we do.
It gets hot.
Yeah.
It's so much fun though.
Yeah.
Be prepared for pushing, kicking, spitting.
Wow.
They get crazy. You can't see it, but right over there is Gary.
Are you ready,
Yeah!
drivers?
Yeah!
Green flag up.
You gotta go fast, man. You ain't gonna win if you go slow. All right. Brett's giving me a hard time because we haven't left yet.
know the word Alberto before Daddy.
We got this big turbo, man. We can go fast. They're all stuck right there, anyways. What do you think I am, Chris Ricks? Why do you have your window down, you psychopath?
We gotta go. We gotta get to the corner of 52nd and Bruning. We gotta see what's in the purple box. What's in the box, man?
Oh god, now you're gonna do stuff. You're gonna be doing jokes. If you're gonna be doing jokes,
What's in the box?
you can go get in Alice's weird van.
box. There's a box.
Generally in it. Escaping.
Generally slow.
So,
Oh, now we're-
Generally
is that a
slow.
play?
Yeah.
Is that a play on words?
It is.
Oh. It says between Allendale and Shady Oak, how many small white road bumps divide the road from the bike lane? Is that those right there?
The
Yeah.
bumps, okay.
It says right on 40th Street into the shopping center in Lamar.
40th and
Right
Lamar.
onto Lamar, and then right on the 40th, and there's a shopping center.
Oh shit, 40th is behind us again. Way to go, Jake. You got me. Here's the traffic circle. Back over here. Back on Lamar.
It says forward through the traffic circle.
Yeah, but then
Right
they want
on
you
the
to
41st.
go all the way back around that way. We're just going to 40th and Lamar. All your wackadoo. There's no rules. There's no rules. Now it's your turn to say something funny, Sean.
When?
Right now, the camera's on. Say something funny. Put you on the spot. There's nothing that way.
Paper place,
Baby Gap over there.
origins.
Read the whole thing.
Place sticker in place provided, yes.
It doesn't tell us what store.
We're confused.
What does it say? What does it say? Read the whole thing. You're not reading the whole thing.
Shopping center. Get yourself a Cosmic Crisp apple and place the sticker in the space. Like, do I have to go in Central Market? You should say go into Central Market.
No comment.
So we have to go inside Central Market and get a sticker off an apple without buying the apple.
Just take the sticker.
We're gonna take
touch
all the
sticker, or
all the
touch apples.
barcode stickers off the apples. And
Nothing
then
to see. Here.
people who want to buy those apples like for legitimate reasons
Dirty fingers.
Pull up, get the
Dirty.
footage.
are gonna have a problem. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I know where the next stop is. There's like 19 different directions on how to get there, but I know where it is. I've been there. So we're just gonna go straight there. This is the fast track. It ain't cheating, it's winning. Woo! I'm trying enjoy your burrito. So we're done. We're going to Top Notch. We want beer and hamburgers. We did about half of it, and that's about all we can manage. We didn't want to take away from everybody who's actually doing the race this time. You know, let them actually, you know, let them win. You know, we didn't want to cheat in a fast car and win. Right?
Right.
That's why we're stopping, right?
That's
Sportsman,
exactly why.
in the spirit of sportsmanship.
There is no rules, but we're
In the spirit of sportsmanships, we're throwing in the old towel. So we'll just drive straight to Top Notch. We'll give you a little bit of that, and then we'll catch everybody as they come in. Yeah. There's already all kinds of people here. Charlie with his Junebug and his toad behind his Jeep. Look at this. Did we win? Did we win? Here, give him our packet.
Yeah, the back.
Give him our. Just give him. We made it! We made it! We made it!
Packet's worthless. We had a good time.
We made it!
Hey! It's so cold in here.
We made it.
Turn the AC down. It's cold.
Yeah, we made it to the
it's so cold in here.
to the Top Notch. So yay! We'll walk around and we'll try and get some people as they pull in. I'll be nice. I'm gonna let the air-cooled park in the air-cooled parking, and we're gonna
Park by the dumpster.
park over here. Marcy Junebug. I'm gonna park in this other
Look, everybody's
side
like
lot.
trying for the evening.
Yeah, but it's not where people are supposed to be. I just parked right here next to Bruce.
Oh yeah, there's
Alright, we're gonna go inside.